The UAE's non-oil foreign trade reached 1.56 trillion dirhams, about 68% of the total trade volume in 2015, with free zone trade volume crossing 497 billion dirhams in the year and exports rising 17%, which according to officials reflects the quality of the industry and its local products. The head of the Federal Customs Authority stated that the total non-oil trade in the past year has been remarkably stable due to the economic diversification and declining oil contribution to GDP. The share of imports of the UAE's total foreign trade amounted to 952.3 billion dirhams during the year, while gold and semi-processed gold topped imports or imported goods with 96 billion dirhams and contribution of 10% to total imports. Mobile phones came in the second place with a value of 94 billion dirhams at 9.8%. Vehicles with value of 58 billion dirhams, about 6%, followed by non-composite diamonds valued at 45.5 billion dirhams, about 5%. The UAE exports reached 185.4 billion dirhams, led by gold, which was valued at 55.4 billion dirhams, which represents 30% of the total non-oil exports, followed by ornaments and jewelry, valued at 19 billion dirhams. Re-export trade reached 418.7 billion dirhams. In terms of the UAE's trading partners, Asia, Australia, and the Pacific region maintained the first position with a share of 646 billion dirhams, equivalent to 44% of the total non-oil trade. The European region came second, with a share of 328 billion dirhams, representing 22% of the total, followed by the Middle East and North Africa, with 289 billion dirhams, representing 19%. Dubai house prices in the first quarter of 2016 have slumped by 10% over the past year, with rental values down by 5% according to a new report. Real estate consultancy JLL said in its Q1 2016 Dubai Real Estate Market Overview report that most property market segments continue to soften in Dubai. It added that the long-term outlook still remains positive due to future growth drivers. 2,200 residential units have been added to the Dubai market over the past 12 months, taking the total stock to 458,500 units. These include a range of apartments and villas as well as townhouses across the emirate. The report said the property sales price decline could be attributed to factors including the strengthening of the US dollar and the adverse market conditions on a regional front owing to the declining oil prices. Commenting on the report, Craig Plum, the head of research at JLL MENA, said that various factors are bringing the market towards the bottom of its cycle, such as the strong dollar, which is making Dubai real estate more expensive for buyers from non-US dollar-pegged markets. Mr. Plum added that another factor was the continued period of low oil prices, which is tightening regional liquidity and also affecting the real estate market. The latest Morgan McKinley UAE employment monitor for Q1 has shown a challenging start to the year and a tough quarter. The number of jobs on offer decreased by 9% to 7,212 in Q1 2016, compared with 7,899 in Q4 in 2015. Looking to the same period last year, jobs growth slowed down significantly when compared to Q1 2015, with the UAE jobs market falling 12%. The number of professionals seeking jobs increased by 31% quarter-on-quarter to 49,820 and increased year-on-year by 22%. According to the report, the increase in the number of job seekers in the market was due to an influx of oil and gas workers into the job market. The demand for consultants and consultancy firms was much stronger in Q1 than expected, and this is set to continue for the rest of the year, according to Morgan McKinley. Banking and financial services clients have decreased hiring levels as a knock-on effect of the protracted weakness in commodity prices. This comes as Emirates NBD, Dubai's largest lender, laid off around 300 people in recent weeks at two subsidiaries due to a weaker economy. Abu Dhabi developer Miral Asset Management has announced that it plans to open a Warner Brothers theme park on Yas Island in 2018. The government-owned company said the new indoor theme park would cost $1 billion to build and would be 100% owned by Miral. Construction work on the theme park and a Warner Brothers themed hotel in the center of Yas Island started last year after Miral signed a main construction contract for the project with Belgian contractor Six Construct in May. According to the developers, the new park would create more than 1,000 new jobs in Abu Dhabi and would increase visitor numbers to Yas Island from 25 million last year to 30 million in 2018. The new park will be close to the Ferrari World Theme Park, which was developed by Aldar and opened in 2010. It was sold to the Abu Dhabi government for 10.9 billion dirhams less than 3 months later and is currently operated by Miral.